Nature is just beautiful, just the way she is. She need not pretend. She is just herself. Like you can just be out in nature and feel so much love and connected with the trees, with the beautiful branches, with the running water, fresh rain, and how it just makes everything so fresh and pure. Truly, nature is your best friend. Nature is love. So, anything that is close to nature, you too should stay closer to your own true nature. If I'm close to my true nature, that gives me a sense of ease. There is peace, love, and joy. And so it is.